Now that we have opened what I call the final stages of man to understand, now you have to understand you have no choice. It needs a lot of understanding, it needs a lot of positioning, it needs, there is a celebration going on. A lot of you will report massive number of UFOs in huge numbers. It's not one or two anymore. It's just like a party, let's all go there and there is a traffic jam. You will see those happening in the coming weeks. There is a big party going on this planet. Man has not seen it, do not understand. In a way, without you knowing, you go to out shopping and you come home, the party is set, and then you have a surprise. In a way, mankind is waiting for that surprise, but there are few steps to be taken. The universal universal community has already laid out the party. And to lay the party, you need to bring a lot of things ready, a lot of souls. All friends are coming back. You will see a new transformation on the skies and in the skies of this planet very, very soon. We changed the whole structure as of last week, and we brought a new dimension. You will see it, you will feel it. And this situation with Corona, this actually would have happened because the soul of this planet was getting ready to join the universal community. And it's a solution for man to find himself in, to elevate himself. This is a universal council teaching. This is what we call one nation, one planet, one race. And in so many ways, we have made one of you, but we have joined you to be one of the totality. It's a birthday party. And those who are organizing the party, it's just, 9 months and so many days, the child is born and you get everything ready for the party of the birth. That's what's happening. For the coming weeks, you will see more and more activities in a very strange way, in a huge numbers. And some of them, they are single souls who left this planet thousands of years ago. They're coming back. They're coming back to welcome the new child. These lights you see in the skies, which will appear as single and hundreds of thousands to come, many of them, they are not UFOs. They are the souls who left this planet and come back. They know it's the time to celebrate. But mankind is blind. And no radar can see the soul. If the radars could see the soul, every day millions of people who die and get born, why don't the radars don't show? The souls leave. Now we see the soul return. We see the light, and mankind has to understand. You have no choice. We have left you no more choice. We left it to you like for some millions of years, and you did nothing but just mess it up more. And now it's just, it's the next step, next evolution. But how far, how much, to what extent mankind is ready for it is a question for the man to ask himself. You come here to learn a cup, you learn this, you learn that, but you're so blind you don't see what is in truth there behind. The reality is, and this is the question I asked yesterday as well, is the soul of the man as a man as totality ready for this transformation?